Hello and welcome to another joke of the day. In today's joke, this team of cave explorers is exploring a cave, and they come across this pirate guy. And the pirate is wearing a three-cornered hat, and he has one hand is a hook. And over his left eye, he has an eye patch. And the explorer says to him, and one of his legs is a peg leg. And the explorer says to the pirate, "How did you get the peg leg?" And the pirate says, "Well, I was crossing from one ship to another, and my leg got caught, so it had to be cut off." And the explorer said, How did you get the hook, the middle hook for your hand?" And the pirate said, I was in a duel and I got my hand cut off, so they had to give me this hook. And the explorer said, How did you get the patch over your eye?" And the pirate said, "One day a bird," and the pirate said, "One day a bird crapped in my eye." And the explorer said, and the explorer said to him, "A bird shouldn't cause you to lose your eye just because a bird crapped in it." And the pirate said, it was the first day, and the pirate said, it was the first day that I had the hook. Well, that's your joke for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.